Here are the two trains again during the day. I filmed these units last night when they were brand new. Still brand new, but yeah. This one. This one is from February of 2024. And it's a 2-ton. Alliance scroll compressor. There you go. These units are heat pumps. There is the reversing panel. 14C. These units do not work yet, unfortunately. And here's this one. This one is 7 months old now. But this one, it is from August of 2024. It is a 2.5 ton. So yeah, this one is just a few weeks old. The 8th week, I think. I don't know. One knows that it was made this month. So yeah. And this one, unfortunately, has a LG scroll. I could not tell last time because the blade was right here, but yeah. These units are heat. This one's also a heat pump. Not permitting, of course, because there's no electric yet. So yeah. Just thought I would get another video of these units. Oh, and I think they have ECMs. Their motors. Let's wait for that to focus. Yeah, I don't know. I think they have ECMs. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.